Guys, let's have a conversation. Has anyone ever lost their phone and then tracked it and then found it here in Nigeria or anywhere around West Africa? It's so difficult. If 20 persons lost their phone right now, I doubt if up to 2 persons will be able to recover their phones, be it iPhone or Android. It's just so difficult to track your phone and recover it. And I believe that we have security forces in Nigeria who can actually track your phone if they really want to, but most times they won't do it. So in this video, I will show you how to easily track your phone. I will show you some things that you can set up on your phone that can help you track your phone easily if you lose it. Like, here's a personal story. One time I was living in Lagos, Nigeria. My friend lost his phone and then we tried tracking it. We went to a police station and they directed us to a particular unit that they claim that they do track phones. And when we got there, they asked us to pay a particular fee, which I wouldn't want to mention right now. And I wouldn't want to go into details about the persons who collected this money or the person that asked us to pay this money. All right, so pay this money until date. Believe me, that phone has not been tracked. All right, so something happened recently again. My friend got robbed and they took 2 of his iPhones, and it's got me wondering, how can we actually track this? And we checked the location, and it has already been taken to Kano, Nigeria, all the way from Abuja, Nigeria to Kano, Nigeria, which is something very extremely difficult to trace right now. But in this video, I will show you how to set up some settings on your phone that can help you track your phone easily in the case where you misplace your phone or you get robbed or it gets stolen. All right, so without wasting much time, just get down to business. Before I continue, please, if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make easy to follow tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and also like this video. All right, so let's get down to business. First, you're going to come to your shortcut app here, and then you click on automation right here, and you're going to select add a new automation. Then you're going to select messages. Then you're going to choose a trigger word. The trigger word could be any word, but for mine, I'm going to use find. And I'm going to type here and say save. So I'm going to click on save. Then you're going to come here. I'm going to click here on this very thing here. This very one here. Then you're going to search for low battery mode. You're going to turn it on. Then you're also going to search for pictures. Take pictures. Here is front camera. You're going to select your front camera. Then you're going to turn this off. Then you're going to search for get location. So this is a current get location, and you're going to set that up. Then also you're going to select messages. So here you're going to add you're going to add all the messages that you want, all the contacts that you want to receive that message when that stuff happens. And when you're done, you're just going to click on save. Click this so this will run immediately. I'm going to click on save, and that's your. When this is set up and you text your phone from anywhere in the world using any phone, maybe using the word find, or maybe use the word locate or stolen, any word that you have using to set up as your keyword, the phone is automatically going to snap a picture of the person's holding the phone at the moment, snap the person's picture and send it to you, and also send the current location. All right, so it's very easy and it's very straightforward. Please make sure you do this setup right and you do it correctly. So guys, see you in the next video.